Mesa Bathroom Remodeling, high-quality bathroom remodeling. Phoenix Home Remodeling is your Mesa bathroom renovation expert. Our expert personnel offer high-quality results on schedule and within budget. We strive to exceed client expectations. We work with you to understand your idea and bring it to life using the best materials and latest techniques. We guarantee a gorgeous, long-lasting bathroom refurbishment. Phoenix Home Remodeling can improve your bathroom. We're Mesa's top bathroom remodeling contractors. Our expert bathroom renovation professionals can rebuild guest bathrooms and master bathrooms. We adore Mesa, Arizona and would love to renovate your bathroom. We'll plan, design, demo, manage, install, and supply. We guarantee a great bathroom remodel. A good contractor makes bath remodeling pleasurable. Relax and enjoy your Mesa, Arizona ideal bathroom while we handle the hard work. Phoenix Home Remodeling is a home improvement contractor. We offer remodel services such as shower remodeling, kitchen remodeling, home remodeling, and bathroom remodeling. We service the Arizona cities of Ahwatukee, Chandler, Tempe, Gilbert, Mesa, Laveen, Sun Lakes, and South Phoenix, Oz. Contact us today to get your free quote. Phoenix Home Remodeling, 6700 West Chicago Street 1, Chandler, Arizona 85226. 602-492-8205.